Man, I can feel it. Today's gonna be a good day. Hanging out in my parents' garage. When I come here, this is kind of like my office space. I feel really good today. I feel super focused, and I'm excited to start taking some of these first steps towards building this brand and this company. I got blog 0001 edited and posted pretty early this morning. There's already a lot of really positive responses and super encouraging to keep going. It's kind of a joke calling it vlog 00001, but it's also a statement of my commitment. I'm in this for the long haul. This is what I want to do. So if you're digging it, buckle up. It's gonna be a fun journey. I'm probably gonna be spending most of today pushing that vlog out onto my different social medias. I'm gonna be editing some photos that I took while I was traveling to put in my portfolio that I'm developing. And while it's kind of a bummer that my car's down and that doesn't allow me to currently freely move about the country as I'm used to, right now I'm in London, Kentucky, and something cool about London as far as a starting point with everything that I've been talking about doing, there's a lot of businesses in London that they're good businesses, but they're a little behind on the times. And I'm sure that it won't be hard for me to find a company here that I can feel good about supporting, and that they probably don't have the strongest content for their social media. I'm really excited to do some research and see what's around here and see who I can approach about possibly creating some sort of digital content for their social profiles and their websites or whatever they want to use it for. Oh, it's getting brighter outside. I need to crank the ISO down a touch. Oh yeah, there we go. Hi, baby. Well, since my mom and my sister went to a concert, I'm watching her dog and my sister's dog and my dog. We're all hanging out in here in my garage office. I'm gonna say hi. There's my kisses. Kisses. And this is Riley. Hi, Riley. Also, Mom will be back from the concert that she went to tonight, so hopefully she'll be up for talking to us. I'm really excited to get her take on starting business, and when I first talked to her about it, she jokingly said, my advice would be, don't do it! I'm pretty sure she's got a lot more to offer us than that. Anyway, I'm gonna get back on pushing this video out on all my socials, and then I'm gonna start editing these pictures. Also, I've been talking a lot this morning with Sean Gunther from Mission Zero. Y'all, if you haven't checked out his channel, like, he's a Christian vlogger, and I know sometimes that pushes people away, but he's super on point with so many things he has to say, and he's an amazing dude. Check out his stuff. Start up a conversation with the guy. You won't regret it. I'll make sure to put a link down in the description to his channel. Oh my gosh, look what just happened. Yeah! Oh man, I woke up this morning so excited to start getting stuff done. I didn't eat. I didn't have coffee, or, well, really I want some chai tea, but I didn't caffeinate, I didn't eat. What are we doing? We can get on that. Well, it looks like my parents are out of chai tea, but never heard of double red rooibos tea? Rooibos? In the world of tea, red means rooibos. The caffeine-free herb from South America makes a rich red infusion with full-bodied flavor. We've gone a step further and deepened its character by blending finely ground rooibos with our leaves. It can help your immune system and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Ounce for ounce. Blah, blah, blah. Rooibos is known for its abundance of antioxidants. Cool. I don't necessarily need caffeine. I'm feeling really good today, feeling awake and focused, and a good healthy chunk of antioxidants definitely couldn't hurt. So let's do some Rooibos. Alright, moment of truth. Rubius. Or Rooibos. I don't know how you say it. We'll figure that out later, but that's pretty tasty. And extra antioxidants. I'm down. Alright, I'm just gonna grab some chicken salad and crackers and cheese just for easy button because I'm excited to get back on it. I'm getting stuff done today, so yeah, let's get it.
I love chicken salad. I love chicken salad.
Alright, I can get back on this editing thing.
Yeah.
What's up? You don't want me to go back to work? You want me to play with you guys? Is that what you said?
Hey, hi. Well, hello. I
One of the other reasons I love this garage is my parents have one of those smart TVs up there, and like when I don't know how to do something on in Photoshop, like right now, check this out. See, I love this photo that I took of this old antique shop, but the sky, you see how it's blown out? Would really love to bring some color back to that sky, and I'm not sure how to do that in Photoshop, but you know, of course YouTube has tutorials for that kind of thing. But the great thing about this garage that I was saying is my parents have this smart TV. So I can sit here in front of my laptop and watch on the big screen the tutorial that I'm trying to figure out, which is way easier than trying to check it out on my tiny little smartphone. How cool is that? They got home way too late tonight to do the interview with my mom, but I got an early birthday present and I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Yeah. Yes. Got the 10 to 18. I got a wide angle. Oh my god, this is so great. Now it doesn't have to look like this when I'm vlogging.
You don't have to be like staring at my boogers while we're talking.
Let's get down to it.
Ooh, microfiber. You shouldn't have.
I don't know what this thing is, but yes, bubble wrap! Yes. Oh, I'm so happy. I didn't have to go without a wide angle for long, but man, that last vlog was weird. Just like trying to like talk to the camera with it like feeling like it's this far from my face, but yet it looks like it's this far from my face. It's really odd. It's very strange. But this, oh man, I'll be able to put it this close to my face and you'll be able to see everything. Oh my gosh, shall we? Let's do it right now. Nice. Wait. Oh, ho, ho. Look how wide that is. Ah, nice. I'm literally like 2 inches from the camera and you can still see everything around me. That is so awesome. Oh, I gotta get my mom, hang on. She's in the bathroom. It's gonna take a minute. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so smooth. That's so cool. I can actually walk and vlog now, yes. This is blowing my mind. It is so light. This lens is so light. And the autofocus is almost silent. Oh my gosh. Level up. Yes. Mom, come here. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. They all appreciate you. Look how much we can see all around us. In that other one,
help?
in that other one, it would have looked like this if I was holding it way out here with that other lens. And look at this. You can see everything. And it's so light. And the autofocus for when I'm shooting video, it's like almost silent. You can't hear it at all. Hi.
Hi.
This is my mommy. We'll talk to her tomorrow.
Hi.
Thank you so much. Mwah.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Since you're not gonna be here.
Yeah. Mwah.
I love you.
I love you.